Hey guys, let's talk about another TTS model. It is called Kitten TTS. And in Hugging Face you can also find it in places. Let me show you. In here you can experiment with it. Let's select some voice. Maybe this one. Speed, okay. I'm going to set it, talk a little bit faster. And I'm going to generate speech. Wait for it.
This is KS Tech Channel. We talk about tech solutions.
Okay, let's try with normal speed.
This is KS Tech Channel. We talk about tech solutions.
Alright. So now, first thing, in order to use this model from our code, it's to install it. But for that, first I'm going to create virtual environment. For that I'm going to use git bash terminal that is opened on this location. And for that, I'm going to use Python version 3.12. And I just have to activate it now. Alright, and now I'm going to copy that installation command. Alright, installation is done. Let's test it. I'm going to copy this code in order to speed things up. Alright, the code is really simple, so we are importing Kitten TTS from Kitten TTS. First we are creating model, then we are generating audio from this text, let's say something else. And now we are going to save the audio. I'm going to save it, I'm going to get back to my bash terminal, I'm going to clear my screen, and I'm going to use Python to run main.py. Alright, now I'm going to open this file.
This is really simple code. I wish that is the case with all of models.
Yeah, that last part sounds confusing. That's probably because of these three dots. Now let's check this out. I'm going to open their GitHub page. And in here, we can also change the voice. Let's try with this one, Hugo. I'm going to save this once again from bash terminal because it's easier. Aha, now we have it. We can choose among all of these voices. Let's try with this one. I'm going to change this. Save it. Let us try it. Alright.
This is really simple code. I wish that is the case with all of models.
Okay, I'm definitely going to remove these three dots. And let me try with some other voice too. This F probably means that is female voice.
This is really simple code. I wish that is the case with all of models.
Okay, this is so much better. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope that you learned something new and interesting. So please like, subscribe, and see ya!